Other areas on here, we can go and look at config. So by pressing the config button at the top, I can change the picture on the front of the controller. Now again, everything is password protected and there's a number of different passwords. Just for simple, we've made this 00. So on here, I can change what that picture looks like. So we can change the system by changing a number of different options, but we can't rewrite the logic. So this is not a PLC. And for example, the boiler type, I can click on boiler type, and instead of looking at a 2-pass fire tube, which we were currently looking at, I could make this into a vertical coil just by selecting number 6. If I exit out of here, we now have a coil boiler with a separate steam column.